Hello friends, let's start today PHP Curl with web scraping. What is web scraping? Web scraping is known as copying data from other sites. Like some sites have many data, we want to copy it from. So it's just like hacking course, but don't use for hacking, just for learning purpose. Let's try. Create a PHP file with curl code. We already see curl in our curl guest and curl post methods. Let's create a simple curl our curl is right. Let's create its URL curl setup ch option for URL curl opt URL and URL, which is our copying site from data. I am copying here this site's data. First I am copying these links, then inside these links I will copy the data. Now let's start. First copying the URL, paste it. Now set option to handle that our response in a variable. So curl opt return transfer true. So it keep response which we store in our variables. Now storing our variable HTML equal to curl execute ch execute our call. Now let's first run this. Echo $HTML. Now I'm saving its file like scrap2.php. Now let's run this. .php, and here it's simple, it's fetch our page. Now how to copy this data? Let's start. First I will add a header so it's not print in HTML format. Now I add a header, content type text plain. Now here you see my page in static. Now let's copy it, and here is a tool which is regex for generating our code. Now let's start, and it is the URL regex100.com for regular expression matching. Now what is web scraping? How to match our pattern so that copy the data. Now I am going to copy that links. How to copy that links? For using regular expression like searching and matching the patterns. Now first here I am copying that URL number series. So first I paste that code here and find number series, and here you got number series. Now let's copy this element li. I know that every element is same, which is li, and here is the HTML tag. Now find it element, and here is error. Now solving this error, first remove this errors. Now here I don't know the values, this is same static value, so I want all values. So just replace this by simple regular expression dot star question mark. Now it's give anything value inside that square. It is a regular expression, so you have to learn regular expression first. No, here I don't know the value number series, I want every values. So dot star asterisk, here is so, here also Now you see 9 matches found. Now let's see our matches. Here you see our matches. Now this tool give also a very cool tool called code generator. Now create a code generator. Now here you see our regular expression. Copy that. I am copying this and here I paste it. First comment this. Now come here bottom. And here is a regular expression prick match, which is very important for expression. Now paste this. Now let's see. Here is our pattern which created by regex tool, and here is the str which is our HTML. Now replace with HTML, and here are the matches which our result gives, and R is our regular expression. Now run this. Print underscore r dollar matches. Now every expression find here in HTML and store it in matches. Now I am finding every regular expression in HTML and it show in matches. Now printing the HTML, so I see what I get. Now let's save and run this code. Now let's run, and here you see I am successfully scrap my old links. Now how to group that link and copy. Now after that I want to copy that link URL, also fetch the data. Okay, let's start. I am only copying first link data, so let again create a curl. First close this curl, after that curl close ch. Now again now let's copy it. I am copying the data from first page. Let's start. First I am again calling my curl set of. Now ch2 equal to curl init curl ch2 curl opt URL, and now our URL which is let's see URL, and here is the URL. You see it's first array 0 index with first, so our match go here dollar matches 0 index with 1 index, so it's 1, and also its base URL, so I am appending that URL. Now our base URL is this. Now done, paste here. Now it's full URL. Now let's add more code. Set ch2 return transfer true. Now comment this code first, and curl HTML2 equal to curl execute $ch. Now let's print this. Let's see what I get. So run this code again, and here you see I got that pages, same page. Now I got the pages, internal pages, like here you see this page. I got this page data, like I will find my this question, So here I got this question. Here you see I successfully load the pages. Now copying that pages, questions and answers. You see here questions and answers. Now how to do it? Let's start. Here now copy this, again paste here, come here, and what is this? Here is this code. Now first copy this all and print, paste here. Now copy this and find this way. Here is my code. Here you see it's solving and everything. Now I want this data. Start from div here, now let's copy this div data. First this is the main starting point, other point I could not get. Let's see another question. Here is another question, same as previous question, same as question. Now let's copy this div. And paste here. Now you see many errors. Yes, there is many error. Now let's solve this. First this, escape this, escape this. Now here is the question. I don't know the question, so I replace with my favorite code. Now here is I paste, escape this, escape this, escape this. Now I don't know the option, so I am going to replace all the option. Here tr, just replace these options, like here a, replace this all tr. This is very poor HTML. I don't get the end point, but see here, here is a div which close here, and here is I could not get the closing tag of tr. Here is the opening tag, but could not get the closing tag. Don't worry, let's see here. Leave this, just copy this, just copy this data. deep data. Here I remove the all code. And just add the match font. Yes. Now instead of hiding that metal, I am copying from other data. Now let's copy single by single. Just first question title, paste here, and simply here. Now here instead of question, I will paste the direct tag. Now I found questions. Here you see my questions. Now successfully find my question by this tag. Let's copy this and paste somewhere. This is my question, and for options, all options, let's copy this. Let's my option is this, so I'm going to copy this td. Here you see, let's paste this, escape this, and is my option. Now I see one match. Yes. Now this replace, this is id. Now let's, I don't know the id, so I am going to replace, and you see here the 20 match, means 5 question, 5 for 20. Yes, I got the first option. Let's place this first option. Now let's second option, which is this. No. Okay, I got this all the option. Yes, I got this 5 for 20, means I got all option. 4 for option, 4 into 5 equal to 20. I got all options. Now let's find the answers and explanation. So for answer, let's use this. Here is my answer tag. Here you see, this is answer tag. Let's copy this. Now escape this. Now here, and I got my whole answer, 5 matches, which is my 5 questions. Now let's paste this. This is my answer. Now last is explanation. Let's copy this and find the explanation. Now here I remove this and with my symbol and this. Now here see I have 4 matches. Yes, but there is one missing. Now let's see which is missing. First, second, third, fourth. One is missing. And let's find this here. Now there is Sublime is a tool. Now here I also find. Now here you see I got the first match, second match, third match, fourth match, but I could not get the fifth match. So let's find where is fifth match. This is the starting point, and here is a fifth match. Now here is the problem. This is the problem. These are not simple answer. These are in multi-line. So let's try this. If I multi-line, no, it's not working. Now I find the method in stack overflow, which is this is the tag finding. Now let's copy this. I am copying here and pasted here, and here you see description, and this is simply single string our HTML content and our matches. Now let's, here you see I print matches. Now save here. Now run this code, and here you see I got all the answers. Now you already see I find the questions. I find here question by using this, and here is the answer. So finally we get all these questions and answer, and finally we successfully fetch the contents of web page. Please don't use this tool for hacking. It is just for learning purpose. Thank you for watching.